Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you an installation video for ground lights. First, open the product's sturdy packaging. The product includes one main unit, one high brightness bulb, and one pack of screws. Constructed from wear-resistant metal materials, dust-proof, waterproof, and corrosion-resistant. You don't need to worry about it getting damaged outdoors. First, we need to remove the two screws, securing the top cover of the product. After removing the two top cover screws, we can then remove the top cover. Remove the top cover. Remove the silver retaining screws from the top cover and attach the spire from the inside of the top cover to the outside of the top cover. Install the screws on the outer side of the top cover on the inner side. The top cover section is now ready. Please install the high brightness bulb into the product. Next, place the top cover back onto the product. Reinstall the screws on the two fixed covers. Now we begin the formal installation and securing process. First, mark the 4 mounting feet of the product. Then you can start drilling holes. Drive the screws from the screw pack directly into the F, freshly drilled holes. Remove one nut and 2 metal rings from the screw. Connect the product's power cord to your power supply. Reinstall the retaining rings and nuts from the 4 screws you just removed. The installation sequence is as follows. Step 1. Install the large retaining ring. Step 2. Install the small retaining ring. Step 3. Install the nut. Next, install the retaining rings and nuts for the other 3 screws. Now, the job is done. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.